Marvelous Moments. Today we're gonna try Asian snacks and we're gonna try them. So this is Hello Panda and it's chocolate flavor, and this one is vanilla flavor. And peanuts. I don't know what's this called. This is cheese rings. Boy Bow Wow. Yatos. I forgot this name too. And this is Moku Moku. So we're gonna try them. So I'm very excited to try this one. I wanna try this one. And my sister is gonna help me open this. So I'll see you back. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna eat it now. A little bit tastes nice. So it's like vanilla chocolate. So I rate it out of 8 over 8. So like it's a little bit yummy, but when I eat it, it's like a little bit I don't like it. So I'm gonna try the next one. So now I'm finished now, so I'm gonna try the Hello Panda next. You have to, it's an open down. Okay. Now I finished opening it, so I'm gonna bite it now. Great. This is the vanilla from inside. It's so yummy. I wish I could 10 out of 10. So that was really good, and so now I'm gonna try the chocolate one. So now I'm gonna try this chocolate now. It's gonna taste yummy. That's yummy. Thanks to chocolate, guys. So yummy. I rate it out of 9 out of 9. So guys, I'm really thirsty now, so I'm gonna try this Moku Moku. So yummy. I rate it out of 10 out of 10. So this is the Moku Moku inside, and these are the white things that I'm eating. They're like jelly, kind of like jelly. There's different kind of flavors of them. They're like apple, grape, all sorts of nuts. So now I'm going to try this one. It's a little bit so small. So guys, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna try it now. It is so good. I rate it out of 10. I mean, so now I'm gonna eat with that one. I'm gonna spice or like cheese. I'm gonna try it. I'm scared. Too cheesy. I rate it out of 7 out of 7. This is the arrows. I don't know this one or this one. So that's all of the flavors that they have. And I'm gonna try this one flavor. It's a red one. And right now, it's so big. They have different kind of chips in there. You know, guys, this is my favorite one of the chips in there. That's so yummy. I rate them out of 10 out of 10. So this is the end of the video. Please subscribe and like. And if you want to try your own Asian snacks, go to Pinoy Supermarket, to my dad's website, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!